Hello, my name is Jason Stillman, and my final sustainability project is on reducing landfill waste while reducing packaging cost for Puget Systems. A little information on slide 2 you'll see is that Puget Systems is a local company that is built to order manufacturing of PC computers and servers, similar to Dell and HP. Located in Auburn, Washington, they were founded in 2000. Their mission is to provide clients with the best possible computer for the need and budget. I was currently doing a project for them on their cost of goods sold for Source, but additionally to coordinate with retail management sustainability, I approached them with this project as well to reduce packaging waste and cost. So example on slide 3 you'll see is their build to order model. You'll see that there's 3 different models, the Spirit, Deluge, and Serenity. They have shared components, but they differ. You'll see the process flow map. That's kind of their business model. Then on slide 4, you see the problem statement. So with each computer sold, in order to ensure that it makes it to the customers on time, these giant styrofoam pieces have to go on the top and bottom to ensure that it doesn't get wrecked during shipping. So each computer sold takes about 1.3 cubic feet per volume, or about 4 pounds of non-recyclable styrofoam packaging. And their average sales volume is 5,400 computers each year, which contributes to around 7,000 cubic feet or 11 tons of non-recyclable waste that ends up in landfills. That's enough waste to fill over 2 shipping containers, and there is no studies show that they don't really know how long it takes to degrade, anywhere from 500 to indefinitely. We don't know. So my goal was to completely eliminate non-recycling styrofoam packaging material with a sustainable alternative, and look into cost savings or added benefits used from sustainable packaging options. Now, previously during their prior sales, they had styrofoam packaging that went into the computers, inside the computer cases, to ensure that the components didn't move around or break during shipping. So they're already on the path of sustainability, where they created little brackets specifically for each component in each computer. So they eliminated the need for this expanding foam that went in the middle. So they're already receptive of alternatives. So that's where I approached them. So on slide 7, there is a TED Talk about styrofoam and alternatives. So we'll see in here the EPA estimates that styrofoam contributes to 25% of all landfill waste by volume. Styrene, the main chemical in styrofoam, exposure increases risk of leukemia, lymphoma, and is a neurotoxin. And like I said, nobody really knows how long it will take to degrade, or if it will ever degrade. So the solution, mushrooms, or mycelium biofabrication platform that's 100% biodegradable. It uses a non-food food source. Oh, I had a little thing going on right here. So let's go back. Mushrooms. All right. So we're back to slide 8. It doesn't affect, this alternative doesn't affect food sources. It uses non-food sources, so like buckwheat husk. The mycelium is used like as a glue. It forms into a mold with the buckwheat, and over 5 days it grows into a styrofoam-like substance, low weight, high impact resistance. And on slide 9, you'll see that I did have access to their pricing model for their current packaging, and found out that it's actually less expensive to go with the sustainable alternative of the mushroom fibers. So their current packaging costs are about $11.60 again for these giant things. And there's a website on there that actually sells at retail cost of $10.64 for corner pieces. You'll see on slide 9 that replace that. Now, if we approached the manufacturer, maybe we can get a discount, but just right off of their retail site, based on their usage and a savings of 96 cents per unit, that is a yearly savings of $5,184 on average. So there's actually no added cost by making this switch. And you'll see on slide 10, it breaks it down. And so if we go with the mycelium alternative, we'll save money and reduce landfills and have little happy critters like Hedwig. Hooray! All right, thank you. I'm Jason. Thanks for watching.